Hi, my name is Neha Rathod and my student ID is S225566332. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate my DevOps CI/CD pipeline project using Jenkins and GitHub. This project shows how code moves automatically through different stages like build, test, security, deployment, release, and monitoring using Jenkins automation. First, I opened my GitHub repository where my project code is stored. This repository contains my application code, package.json file, and Jenkins, which defines the entire pipeline structure. This Jenkins file is very important because it controls all the stages of the CI/CD process. Now I open my Jenkins dashboard. Here my pipeline job is already configured. I click the build now to start the execution. Once triggered, Jenkins automatically pulls the latest code from GitHub and start running the pipeline. Now Jenkins start the pipelines in the first stage. In the first stage called the checkout SCM. It is called the checkout stage. Jenkins connects to GitHub and fetches the latest code from the repository. This ensures pipeline always works on the latest version of the code. After checkout, the build stage is start. In this stage, Jenkins install all required dependencies. Using npm install, this step prepares the application environment so that the project can run properly. During this stage, npm also checks for outdated or vulnerable packages. After that, the test stage. In this stage, Jenkins runs automated stage using the npm test. If tests are not available or sync authentication is missing, the pipeline continues using fallback logic. This ensures the pipeline does not stop unexpectedly. After testing, the code quality stage is run. In this stage, Jenkins checks code structure, maintainability, and general coding standards. Even though this is simulated, it represents real tools like the Sonar Cube used industry. Then comes the security stage. This stage checks the vulnerabilities and dependencies and known CVEs. It is an important part of the DevOps because it ensures security is integrated into the pipeline instead of being checked at the end. Next is the deploy stage. In this stage, the application is deployed to a staging environment. In this project, deployment is simulated, but in real world scenarios, it can involve Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud platforms like AWS. After deployment, the release stage runs. In this stage, a version tag like v1.0.0 is created. This helps in tracking application versions in managing production releases in real projects. Finally, the monitoring stage runs where system health is checked, such as CPU usage and the memory status. After all stages completed successfully, Jenkins shows the pipeline as success, meaning the entire CI/CD process worked properly. This project demonstrates a complete DevOps CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins and GitHub. It automates the entire software delivery process and integrates security into every stage, making the development process faster, safer, and more efficient. Thank you so much.